So today is kind of a lazy day. Daniel woke up at like 5 o'clock this morning, played his iPad for a really long time, and I didn't know it. So I decided to take this opportunity while they're napping in my room so I don't like disturb them. And I'm going to make Daniel's birthday cake. So this is kind of the picture that I have. If you guys are new here, Daniel, my son, who's going to be 6, he is completely formula dependent on his diet. So this will be his very first birthday without a birthday cake. Well, at least without a traditional birthday cake. So I have a big bag of Dum-Dum suckers, little decorations from Party City, and I have this one that is plain. I've got scissors, toothpicks, 3 different sizes of styrofoam to stick our sucker sticks into. Let this be a disclaimer to you. I have never made anything like this in my life, so I can assure you if it turns out decent and I can do it, you can do it, I promise. Let's get started. There's only certain colors of Dum-Dum suckers he can have. So I'm going to pull out the brown suckers, which are the ones that he can have. I'm going to decorate the rest of the cake in tiers of colors of ones he can't have, so that the kids at his party can have Dum-Dum suckers, they can take some home, but he is not going to lose the ones that he can have because that would be no fun. I'm going to do blue, orange, and green. Those are going to be the decorations, like each layer of the cake. So now I'm just going to go through and separate out the orange, the green, and the blue. I'm also going to pull out the brown ones because these are his favorite. Solomon is choosing to not take a nap today, which I think is a bad choice, but that's the choice he's making so far. I'm gonna go get him some more milk. Just refusing to take a nap, playing with the baby wipe. Some of these are open, which is kind of disgusting. Oh my gosh, this is gonna get styrofoam all over my bed. Okay, so the first layer kind of looks like this. There's styrofoam. I don't advise doing this over your bed. So then the next layer, I'm going to try to do red. And I'm going to try to do them like this, like kind of staggered in between. Okay, so here's the second layer, which I think looks pretty nice. There are a couple places that I might have to like see how they kind of look sparse through here, so I might have to kind of go in and fill it in. Okay. So here's what it looks with 3, which I think looks a ton better. This one is going to be green. So I'm going to put some green ones like this. this on your bed. Don't do it on your bed. Okay, so then this layer is going to be green. Okay, so this is with the second layer. Blue kind of like this, down at a diagonal. Now we're going to do kind of like the blueberry ones right there along the top. And I'm doing it like right on this ridge right here. We've got our little number 6. Oh, fudge knuckles. I feel like this is pretty good. I hope that that was kind of helpful for you. If your son is kind of in the same situation as mine and they can't have cake, this is pretty cool, I feel like, right? I think that he's going to love it. I'm going to hide it from him so that he doesn't see it until his birthday, but I think he's gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. I promise. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.